President, that the Irish government will continue to work with you and your administration to find a solution to this important issue, and we're ready to do a deal. I also believe that Ireland of today can act as a bridge between this great country and the European Union, and more than ever we can be a strong and effective partner for America. Our economic relationship, as you know, is increasingly a two-way street. Irish firms now employ 100,000 people across 50 states. And since you took office, Mr. President, 59 Irish companies have made new investments in this country. So we're bringing jobs, and good jobs, to America. And every single week, we trade about $2 billion in goods and services back and forth across the Atlantic. And we want that to grow. More trade, more investment, more jobs, going in both directions in a balanced and fair way. So in the spirit of the long and close relationship between our two countries and our two peoples, it is my very great pleasure to present this year's Shamrock Bowl to you. Happy St. Patrick's Day to you all.
Go down and say hello.
All right, everybody, you just witnessed that here live. President Trump and Melania Trump, POTUS and FLOTUS, presented with the Shamrock Bowl. I have never seen such a thing live. Let me know what you thought about it here on Fox News Now.